Hello. Thursday's math. Up, yeah, 947, 948. Vocabulary check. Circle the correct term or terms to complete each sentence. A rectangular prism or a triangular prism is a three-dimensional figure that has 6 rectangular faces and 8 vertices. It has 6 rectangular faces. It doesn't mention anything about triangular faces. Number 2, a rectangle or a rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides congruent. Well, does a rectangle have all sides congruent? Are they all the same? That'd be a square. Number 3, a vertex or an edge of a three-dimensional figure is where 2 faces meet. When the faces meet, this face meets this on this. What is that? 4, a prism or a trapezoid has at least 3 faces that are rectangles. Does a trapezoid have faces? Trapezoid is 2-dimensional. Number 5, describe the attributes of each quadrilateral, then classify the quadrilateral. Number 5, those look like all sides, to me, are congruent. Looks like the number 5, they're all the same. Is that about the same? I can't, shape a ruler. Yeah, if you turn it sideways, it's like that, you turn it like that, they all look pretty the same. They're all the same, but there's no right angles. All 4 of the sides the same, but no right angles. What do you call that one? Number 6. How many sides there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 sides. So it is a 4-sided figure is what? None of the sides are parallel. None of the sides are congruent. So that's just your basic. Number 6, your basic. Number 7, circle the quadrilaterals that have all the attributes of a rhombus. A rhombus, all 4 sides are congruent, and there are 2 pairs of parallel sides. Who else has all 4 sides congruent of those? Only one of them. Number 8, circle the quadrilaterals that have all the attributes of a rectangle. Rectangle has 2 pairs of congruent sides and 4 right angles. It also, So, which one of those has 4 right angles? 4 angles all the same. Parallelogram, square, a trapezoid, or a rhombus. Kind of weird questions. Number 9 and 10, describe the faces, edges, and vertices of the three-dimensional figure, then identify it. Well, number 9, how many faces? Count the faces. The faces are the flat parts. Face, 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 face. How many edges? Edge is where 2 sides meet. Vertices is where 3 sides meet. And 10, same thing. Count the faces, count the edges, count the vertices. Number 10 is very different than number 9 because the base of it is what? Turn it sideways. Turn number 10 that way, and you can see it better. Number 11, Kendra claims that the shape of a xylophone shown at the right is a rectangle, since there are right angles and parallel sides. Is Kendra correct? Well, our rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 2 pairs of congruent sides, and 4 right angles. Does that have 4 right angles? Well, how would you describe that? If it's not a rectangle, what is it? Number 12, Garrett cut a piece of cheese to eat for a snack. The cheese is a prism with 3 faces that are rectangular and 2 that are triangular. What kind of figure is it? Draw the figure to support your answer. It's a prism, 3-dimensional object. It has 3 faces that are rectangles and 2 that are triangles. So therefore, that must be a what kind of prism? Number 13. Which is not a true statement? A. All squares are parallelograms. Parallelogram, as we know, has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. B. Some rhombi are squares. Maybe if you can, is a square a rhombus? C. All rectangles are squares. Okay, right. Apparently B is true because all rectangles are squares. No, some rectangles are not squares. Look at number. Look at this book. That's a rectangle. Is it a square? No. And number D, all rectangles are parallelograms. Parallelograms have 2 pairs of parallel sides. All rectangles have 2 pairs of parallel sides. Parallel again. Parallel. Look up those lines on my Miami windows up here. They're parallel. They don't meet. They are parallel lines. This line here is perpendicular. They meet at right angles, right? But these lines are parallel. Parallel, they'll never meet. Think of train tracks. Parallel. Yeah, there you go. All right, that's it.